Wealth, a massive mountain where only a few have managed to summit. On a global scale, the distribution of wealth paints a stark picture. The top 1% of the population holds nearly half the world's wealth. That's right, just 1%. It's a staggering imbalance that emphasizes the concentration of riches in a handful of pockets. But who are these people perched on the peak? Now let's dive into the lives of the 10 individuals who have conquered this wealth mountain. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have a person of great influence and affluence. Their fortune is amassed from an empire spanning multiple industries, testament to their business acumen. Their net worth is a staggering sum, a number beyond the dreams of many. But what sets them apart is their commitment to giving back. They've made significant philanthropic strides, contributing to causes that resonate with their values. Their wealth is not just a measure of success, but a tool for change. Moving up the ladder, let's meet our next magnate. As we ascend the wealth mountain, the air gets richer. We're now at the 9th position, occupied by the innovative mind behind Oracle, Larry Ellison. His net worth is a mind-boggling $85 billion, primarily accumulated through his tech empire. Notable is his commitment to giving, with substantial donations to health research and education. Next, at number 8, is the dynamic Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's wealth is largely attributed to his shrewd investments, amassing an impressive net worth of $90 billion. His philanthropic efforts are legendary, having pledged to donate 99% of his wealth. In 7th place, we have Amancio Ortega, the fashion tycoon behind Zara. His net worth stands at $95 billion, built on his global retail empire. His foundation supports various educational and social causes. Finally, at 6th is the tech genius, Larry Page, co-founder of Google. His net worth is a staggering $100 billion. He's also a significant contributor to environmental and health initiatives. As we ascend further, the wealth only grows. Halfway up the mountain, the wealth is staggering. We've arrived at the 5th richest person on the planet. Their net worth is a mind-boggling sum earned through a combination of strategic investments and business acumen. Major wealth sources include tech industries, real estate, and other diverse ventures. More importantly, they've leveraged their fortune to make a significant impact on society, contributing generously to various philanthropic causes. Now let's ascend to the 4th position. The wealth here is even more astounding, amassed from a broad spectrum of industries ranging from technology to media. This individual's fortune is not just about the money, though. They've made significant philanthropic contributions, donating to charities and setting up foundations that work towards bettering the world. Their generosity is a testament to the ethos that wealth, when put to good use, can indeed be a force for good. Now we approach the peak, where only the richest of the rich reside. Here we are, the top 3, where the wealth is almost unimaginable. Let's delve into the lives of these individuals who've managed to amass wealth beyond comprehension. Starting with the 3rd richest person in the world, we find ourselves in the realm of a tech giant. This individual's net worth is a staggering $200 billion, primarily accrued from a well-known technology company that has revolutionized the way we interact with the world. But they've not just hoarded this wealth. In fact, they've been a significant contributor to numerous philanthropic causes, investing billions into education, health, and poverty alleviation globally. Moving on to the 2nd spot, we have another titan of the tech industry whose wealth soars to an incredible $250 billion. This wealth has been built through a digital platform that has transformed the global retail landscape. But again, it's not all about accumulation. This individual has made substantial philanthropic contributions, funding initiatives related to climate change, space exploration, and improving living standards for the less fortunate. Finally, we arrive at the zenith, the richest person on Earth. With an astounding net worth of over $300 billion, this individual stands at the pinnacle of wealth. Their fortune primarily comes from a trailblazing tech company that has redefined our lives in countless ways. But this person too has not shied away from giving back. They've committed substantial portions of their wealth to initiatives focused on health, education, and environmental sustainability. These individuals have reached the peak of the wealth mountain, and their influence on the world is undeniable. But it's not just their wealth that's impactful. It's their dedication to philanthropy, their commitment to make the world a better place, that truly sets them apart. For these wealthiest individuals on Earth, it seems that with great wealth comes great responsibility. These individuals have reached the peak of the wealth mountain, and their influence on the world is undeniable.